This factory should not exist. Here's structure, take here.
It looks wonderful on you.
Thank you, I think I'll take it. Oh, that coat is stunning. It really is. Look at this bag, too.
A small price for luxury, perhaps, but leopard populations have declined by 95%. Their conservation status is critical.
Look, this one here. The manifest code matches.
All right, let's load it up quickly before the guards circle back.
The chain of illegal wildlife trade moves from the poacher to the trafficker, then to an illegal tannery, and finally sold in the luxury market.
It was easy money. I didn't have to do much work. It was the easiest money I ever made.
The port of today is a marvel of modern logistics. Here, steel giants move the cargo that connects our city to the world.
This pattern once meant survival.
Branding hides the true cost.
Does the jacket hang evenly now?
Yes, much better. And the handbag here balances the display.
This luxury item costs as much as protecting 10 leopards in the wild, or funding 25 years of vital conservation work. The leopard population faced a catastrophic decline over decades, dropping sharply towards zero.
This is the reality of industrial production. The contrast is stark when compared to the habitat we just saw.
Wow, look at that smoke. That's terrible.
The texture on this mushroom leather is perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it really brings out the vibrancy in the leopard print.
Absolutely, this is the one.
Vegan leather, cruelty-free. A hopeful alternative to the devastating trade in illegal wildlife products.
Excuse me, we're asking for your support to protect our sacred lands. Please take a moment to read this.
Understanding that reduced demand truly saves animals is crucial. When the market dries up, the poaching stops.